friends, I hope that you enjoyed that story and learned something about butterflies. So the process that occurs when a caterpillar turns into a butterfly is called metamorphosis. And what happens first is the mommy butterfly lays an egg on a leaf, and once the egg hatches, out comes a little baby caterpillar, and that caterpillar eats the leaf and he munches away until he starts to grow. And once he starts to grow, he gets too big for his skin. And so his old skin comes off, and then he has a layer of new skin underneath, and that is called molting. And after he molts so many times and gets bigger and bigger, it's time for him to spin a chrysalis. And a chrysalis is made from silk, and he hangs upside down and spins himself inside his chrysalis and stays inside of his chrysalis for 5 to 21 days. And then he hatches out, and when he does, he's a butterfly. So that's the process of metamorphosis. So today for writing, we're going to write some of the words in this process. And then math, I have a little surprise for you. So make sure that you have something to write with, something to write on, and then some counters so that you can count along with me during the math activity. Okay, see you in a second. Hey friends, so we're about to start our writing for the day, so make sure that you have something to write with and something to write on. And today we read the story From Caterpillar to Butterfly, and we learned about the process called metamorphosis, which is when a caterpillar turns into a butterfly. So we're going to write some of the words of the stages of metamorphosis. And we're going to start with the first stage, which is when the mommy butterfly lays her egg on a leaf. So we're going to start with the word egg. E-G-G. Egg. Take your time, friends. The next word that we're going to write is caterpillar, because once the egg hatches, a little baby caterpillar comes out and starts eating the leaf that it was born on. So caterpillar. And again, friends, take your time writing each letter. You can pause the video if you need to. The next word that we're going to write is molting. Molting. And molting, friends, is the process that takes place when the caterpillar gets too big for its old skin, so it sheds it off so that it is able to have its new layer of skin. And that process, again, is called molting. The next word that we're going to write is chrysalis. And the chrysalis is sort of like a shell that the caterpillar creates to stay inside while he transforms into a butterfly. So chrysalis, C-H-R-Y-S-A-L-I-S, chrysalis. And the last word that we're going to write is butterfly, because once the caterpillar stays inside his chrysalis for at least 1 week, when the caterpillar hatches out after that week, he or she is now a butterfly. So B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly. Great job with writing today, friends. So now we're going to move on to math, so make sure that you get out your counters. And I have a feeling that you're really going to like math today. Hey friends, so today for math, I'm going to need your help to solve these addition and subtraction problems that I found here in my garden. The answers are scattered throughout my backyard, so I'm also going to need your help to find the answers. Then, at the end, if we solve them all correctly, I have a feeling that the answers might lead us to some butterflies. So let's get started. And The first subtraction problem that we're going to solve is 17 minus 12. So 17 minus 12. I'm going to start at 12 and count up to 17. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So how many counters did it take to get from 12 to 17? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 17 minus 12 equals 5. So now will you come along with me to find this yellow number 5? So now we're going to search for the number 5. Where could the yellow number 5 be? Don't see it over here. Oh wait, I think I might see something. And there it is, the yellow number 5. Okay, the next problem we're going to solve is 12 minus 9. I'm going to use the counting on method again, which means that I'm going to start at the smaller number, which is 9, because 9 is being taken away from 12, and I'm going to count up from 9 to 12. So 9, 10, 11, 12. And I'm going to count how many counters it took to get from 9 to 12. 1, 2, 3. So 12 minus 9 equals 3. Now friends, you could also solve this problem by counting out 12 counters and then taking away 9, and then you would still end up at the same answer, 1, 2, 3. But it saves you a lot of time and a lot of counting if you use the counting on method, which means that you start at 9 and you would count up to 12. So now will you come with me to come and find the blue flower with the number 3? Okay, so we're looking for the number 3. I don't see it over here. Or over here. Make sure that you yell out if you see the blue number 3. Wait, I think I see something over here in this bush. We did it! The blue number 3. Thank you, friends. Okay, friends, the next problem I need your help solving is 13 minus 6. So 13 minus 6. I could either count out 13 of my counters and then take away 6 and see what I'm left with. And that is perfectly fine if that way makes more sense to you. But I'm going to use the counting on method. So I'm going to start at 6 and count up to 13. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many counters did it take to get from 6 to 13? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And so our answer is 7. So friends, will you come with me to find the purple flower with the number 7? All right, let's go. We are looking for the number 7. Make sure that you yell out if you see the purple flower with the number 7 on it. I don't see it over here. And I think, yes, the number 7. Okay, let's move on to addition. The first addition problem we're going to solve is 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3. So for this one, you could either count out 7 of your counters and then 3 of your counters and then push them all together and see how many there are when you put them all together. Or you can count out just one of the numbers For instance, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you can start at 7 and just add these 3. So 7, 8, 9, 10. So will you come and help me find the orange flower with the number 10? I don't see it over here. Orange flower with the number 10. Maybe over here? Don't see it over here. Where could it be? Not up here. Wait. Yes, the number 10. The next addition problem we're going to solve is 15 plus 6. 15 plus 6. So we could either count out 15 of our counters and 6 of our counters and put them all together, or we can count out 6 counters into a pile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and add these 6, because that's what it is telling us to do with the addition sign, to 15. So starting at 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So our answer is 21. So let's go find the blue flower with the number 21 on it. I don't see it over here. Or over here. Where could it be? Wait, is that? Oh. 21. And the last addition problem we're going to solve is 11 plus 4. 11 plus 4. So again, friends, you could either count out 11 counters and 4 counters and put them all together, or you can count out 4 counters, 1, 2, 3, 4, and add them to the 11. So start at 11, and then we're gonna go 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 would be our answer. All right, so let's go and find the yellow flower with the number 15. So once we find 15, it should lead us to the butterflies. I don't see it over here. Maybe it's up here. And we found our final answer over here with the butterflies. Thank you so much for your help, friends. I couldn't have done it without you. And I'm so happy that we got to see the butterflies. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!